Didn't know if all the parents out there would be aware, but there is a free NHS eye test for your child. You can have one done every year up to the age of 16. Come in and see us and we can get that organised. We don't mind if you come in on a Saturday, come in school holidays, or even on the late night opening on a Tuesday. Once they are 16, they would get an eye test every 2 years if they're in full-time education, and after that I'm afraid you've got to pay. But come in and see us and we can get you booked in.